Bluetooth device. Oops. Good morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic and welcome back in my shed. What are we gonna do today? Well, I'm still busy on a BMW R1200GS, and today we're gonna use again my favorite tool, the MotoScan app, as I did a brake fluid change on the front and on the rear, and I always like to cycle the ABS module. So, because if you are a driver just like me, I seldom get the ABS module in action during a ride. So, to prevent it from being stuck or so, I like to shoot it into action, so to speak. And that's what I'm going to show you today with the MotoScan app. Hardware. Guys, if you have a BMW, buy one. It's so deadly cheap. Actually, if you compare it to other diagnostic devices, this, what I'm going to show you, we need the cable, of course, and we have the MotoScan 2100, the UCSI. Yeah, now, the first thing we're going to do, take the diagnostic connector of your BMW, connect it to the cable. Hop. Then on this side we're gonna attach the MotoScan 2100. It's a Bluetooth device. Oops, it's just a box. It's a Bluetooth device, and it connects the bike's electronics with the app on your phone. So easy, guys. Now I'm gonna plug it in like this. Here is a red light shining. That's good. Then we're gonna put the bike on ignition. Also easy. Always wait for the Atari doing all his magic. Then we take the phone, and then we're gonna open the MotoScan app. Look over there, somewhere. Okay, guys, as you know by now, the first thing I always do is do an adapter check, because I want to know if the Bluetooth module is connected to my phone. Bluetooth, huh? Okay, then I say we go over here, adapter check. It's opening. Interface present, MotoScan. So that's good. Then scroll all the way down, and there you see 3 times yes in green. Guys, yes in green is always good, I think. Then we go to the bike. This is an R series, okay, and it's a K25. And then we go to the anti-lock brake system, the ABS. Okay. And well, you can do an identification, also funny. Okay, here you got all the manufacturing date. Okay. The ABS and the ACS can be switched off, and that's this button. Okay. Then we go always read trouble codes. No trouble codes found. That's all right. Then we go to service functions. Bleed front ABS circuit. Well, we don't have to bleed it, and the system is air free. You can feel it on your lever, your front lever and your foot brake lever thing. So then you can read all this stuff if you like. And then it says perform operation. During the subsequent activation of the pump, immediately pull the front brake lever 3 times in succession for 2 seconds until it stops, and then release it again. This will flush any trapped air out of the pump. Note: all bleeder screws in both circuits, brake circuits, must be closed. Okay, put it over here. Hopefully it stays over there. Then we say perform the operation. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. And now we're going to do the same for the rear. That's over there. So. Okay. Now, we're gonna say service functions. Bleed the rear brake circuit. Okay. Continue. Perform the operation. Now. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Then, guys. Okay. Then, guys. Oops. Phone. Wrong side up. We go back. And we go put the bike off ignition. Okay. Then we wait. And we wait. And we wait. Okay, enough. Hop. Put the bike on ignition again. Wait for the Atari, all this magic stuff, checking everything, exhaust, foot pegs, you name it, he checks it. Then we go to read trouble codes. No trouble codes found. Yes. Then, guys, we're gonna close the MotoScan app. Okay. Now, put the bike off ignition. And then we take my unit. Back in his cage, Nicholas. Okay. Then cap onto it, click, hop, that one in place, and then we put it back in its, yeah, what is it, the thing. Guys, if you have a BMW and you want to check your bike every now and then, or do your own oil change, then you have to reset the service reminder, or what I just did, activate the ABS pump. You need the MotoScan app and its hardware. Look in the description below. There you find all the hard and the software you need to do what I just did. I have the MotoScan app Ultimate. It's not even 50 euros and you have an unlimited amount of bikes you can service. So not 3 or 4 or 10, unlimited. And you have unlimited updates. Also, whenever BMW gets a new model or whatever, it ends up in the MotoScan app, which is also great. So I would say, do yourself a favor and buy the stuff. And of course, look at my videos. I got a lot of videos about how to use the MotoScan app. Now guys, that was it for today. I hope you liked my video and learned a few things. And if you did, well, subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And of course, share my channel with all your friends on your social media. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, well, X these days. You name it. Just spread the word. It's a win-win situation, eh? So they can benefit from my maintenance videos too. It's easy maintenance and you can save a lot of money, and that's what my channel is all about. Doing your own maintenance and in the process save a lot of money. Now, I hope to see you the next time. And for now, old mechanic.